Hi there, Geoff Coughlin, editor Scale Modelling Now. Now here's an extremely useful bit of kit that I've just subscribed to actually. Comes from Wingleader and Wingleader magazine, and the company might be new to you, but certainly some of the founders and contributors won't be new to you. These will be guys you will already know. So what we have here is a beautifully produced soft-backed publication, around about 100, over 145 pages worth of really something quite innovative and definitely new. I've not seen really a publication these days that has come up with really anything new in many respects. Most of it's been done before. It might be better quality, but generally speaking, in my view, I think what we have here is something really quite different and exciting. Which is why I subscribed, basically. I picked up the promo kind of booklet, really, which I saw at the IPMS UK Scale Model World in 2018, back in last year. And I thought, wow, that looks like really good quality. And then what you can do now is you've got various options, I think, and you can look at their website for more on it. And I would recommend that you do just that, and I'll provide a link in the review to that in SMN if you go there and check it out. But here on the back you've got a good insight into exactly what it is that you are going to get with this subscription. Basically in here you've got 12 beautifully illustrated articles, and they really are beautifully illustrated. And you've got everything. You've got a bit of modelling, you've got a bit of reference, you've got some high quality profiles, you've got stuff to do with restorations, and then you've got feature articles to do with key, I suppose, events or key operations and that kind of thing during the war. And not only just during World War II, of course, here we go back to World War One as well. So, and post-war in between. So extraordinary, really. So yeah, perhaps just bring you in a little bit closer. Just check out what's in this current issue, which is the first main compendium issue, and for only £15. We can sort of see that here. I mean, that's extraordinary value for money, I think. So you've got new efforts kit of the Bristol Blenheim, which has been applauded greatly in the modelling world, which is obviously our primary focus. But gosh, is our interest so much more than just the modelling, because as modellers we definitely need good reference material, and this comes in heaps and bounds with this particular publication. And you've got such interesting contributions here. So let me just give you a quick run through it and you can get an idea. So straight away we get into, okay, so who's this by and all the rest of it. So you've got Simon Parry, he's the co-founder. Mark Postlethwaite, who I'm sure will be known to you, is editor and design director. And then you've got Wesley Cornell, who is a technical director as well. And of course you've then got, I think you've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different contributors. All guys who, some of whom are known to you, some may be new, but certainly their contributions are absolutely outstanding. So initially we go straight into the ethics build, it's the modelling part, which of course is kind of hugely interesting from my particular perspective and our publication. Good coverage of that, I love that, and of course then you get the high quality reference to support the build, which I absolutely love. Certainly some of this I've not seen before. Then we move on a little bit more about aviation art. I mean, that's another element of it which I hadn't already mentioned. So you've got aviation art as well. I mean, what an innovative idea to bring all these different genres, if you like, these different areas, different specialisms of expertise together in one publication. And what I love is the kind of, in the text and the captioning, you've got this kind of support, I suppose, for scale modelers, in the sense that, well, like here's a classic example. Here you've got Halifax aircraft, and you've got some really neat features that have been pointed out that might not be apparent to many modelers of the type, that kind of thing. And then bang, we're into something really different, and John Derry attempts at breaking the sound barrier, and goodness me, all these different other things to do with that. The Army Air Raid with mosquitoes, it goes on and on and on. what just superb. I can't honestly praise this publication enough. As I said, I saw enough from the initial promo material to think, yeah, that's worth subscribing to. It's got to be worth it for 60 quid for the first year. And I think that's 4 issues. It's basically once a quarter, I think. And well, if they're as good as this, and I so hope that the follow-ups are as good as this, then we are not going to be disappointed, and nor will you be. So there we go. That is the Wingleader magazine. This is the printed Compendium version, and there are different versions available. This is volume 1. And as it suggests here, this has got all the articles from Digital's editions 1, 2 and 3. So congratulations to the creators of this. Absolutely love it, and I'm sure you will do as well.